This video. Today we are doing a video of what kind of weird structures I can make. So we're gonna go on the map. Doesn't make a map. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be great. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna be on black. And let's get into the world. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm so weird. So what we're gonna need, you're gonna need, well, I'm doing with slime. This is the first one, number one. You're gonna need slime, some redstone, some TNT, and a pressure plate. So I'm gonna go. Oh. Not all the things I need. Yeah. Oh, I don't want a skeleton horse. I need a grass block horse. So I'll just use a gold block. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so what we're gonna do? So you dig down. That's why I need a grass. Just put the gold block here. Dig down. So you on the flat, so you see that, and the obsidian, or whatever that is. What's that called? The bedrock. Just until you see the bedrock, and then what you're gonna do is put TNT down here. No, it's not TNT. You're gonna wanna put slime block. Okay, that is not all you need. I need this. And then you're gonna put redstone on top of it. That is annoying me right now. I'm just gonna get grass. And then what you're gonna do is just put grass in. No, or you can do this. And put some down here just so if you need extra. And some here. Alright. And then you're gonna put grass. No, you can't do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. You need to put this. We're just gonna need to do that. Now you're gonna put it on here, and then you're gonna put the top. And then you're gonna. I think this is the way I did it. Nothing happened. But you're gonna put this one out under that. Gonna put that, and then look. Did I do the right thing? I don't think I did the right thing, guys. I don't know how to do it again. Yeah. So that was that one. I totally forgot. Wait. Yeah, I did need TNT for it. Then it was like supposed to do this. And blow up. Yeah, that's what it was. And it blow up. Okay. So next one, a TNT diving board. Just random TNT diving board. So what you're gonna do is go down like this. Put TNT at the bottom. Put redstone on here. And then, no, wrong bit. I keep going the wrong bit, guys. Okay. Put your TNT here. Put this here. And then put So TNT here, because it's a TNT thing, and I can't stand on that yet. Just do a diamond board, like a tiny structure. And then you need ladders. Where's the ladders? Oh, here they are. Ladders. Oh, yeah, I didn't put ladders on it. But that would, we'll just put it like that, okay? And then when you fall down into a TNT, wait till it blows up, and you die. So that's the only two I knew, but I'll try that one again, but in survival. Okay, we're in survival now. Oh my gosh. I need to make it first. Okay guys, I made the little ride. I made it again, so I'm just loading on the world again. Wait, it's loading like a sec. Okay, so it says fun ride, no damage being tested. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's just go on. So it says, come on. If you're there. I don't really care. Come on, let's just do it. Where am I? Boom! That's what happens. Yup. So let's just go. Not even quite, guys. There'll be more Minecraft videos coming up. And then let's go on. 8 of and 3, and that was so good that worked. But that structure and the other structure that didn't work out is what I did.
Come on, get your dinner, baby.
Okay, guys. Alright, wait a second.
I said come on, okay, baby.
Okay.